guys, welcome back to my channel. So the thing that we're gonna be doing is slime. So all the things that you're gonna need is soap, body wash, I'm using the other one, and some sugar. And yeah, so we have some of, and you're gonna need a mixing bowl. So the thing that you're gonna be needing is this, some soap, some body wash, and something to mix with, and a bowl of sugar. So let's put this on the sugar on the side. And yeah, so put that right there so you guys can see. And so now I have this much of what I need. So now I want to add like a little bit of sugar. We're going to add a lot of sugar. Just pour some that's cool. And then now we're gonna mix. Maybe that was too much. And yeah, and so I'm gonna go get my body wash. Sorry guys, yeah, so this is my body wash that I use. This. It's right there, you can see its name. You could it's that one. And it's Sheer Twilight. That's the one that I'm using. Yeah, so just add a little bit and I'll be right back. Yeah, sorry guys for that, and let's just mix now. Yeah, I'm gonna add color for it. I'm just gonna leave it like this. And yeah, so you're gonna leave this for 2 days. And yeah, but I can't show you, so yeah. It's like 1 ingredient slime. I don't have my cup, so I'm gonna just leave it here. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Bye.